मंदिर में तो कुछ
In this question, we are asked to find out the number of integers x which lie between minus 100 to plus 100 for which the given inequality is true. If you are looking at the inequality, you can simplify the left hand side, which is modulus of x square plus 3x minus 28 to equal modulus of x plus 7 into x minus 4. And what is the right hand side? This is greater than, again, modulus of x minus 7 into x plus 2. This is the given inequality. It has 4 inflection points. That is, it has 4 points in which the modulus will change their signs. What are the 4 points? For the left hand side it is minus 4, and for the minus 7 and 4, and for the right hand side it is 7 and minus 2. So let us first consider all the cases where x is less than minus 7 and x is greater than 7. Once we remove both of them, then we look at the cases where x lies between minus 7 and plus 7, because that is where most of the inflection points actually exist. So if you are looking at the first case where x is less than minus 7, then the left hand side is positive and the right hand side is positive even without the modulus. So the given inequality will simplify to equal x square plus 3x minus 28 is greater than x square minus 5x minus 14. You can simplify this, x square gets cancelled, so this becomes equal to 8x is greater than 14 or x is greater than 7 by 4. This is clearly not true because in this particular case we assume that x is less than minus 7. Let us look at the next case. The next case is when x is greater than 7. So if you are looking at x to be greater than 7, again the given inequality will remain the same because both the left hand side as well as the right hand side, both of them will be positive even without the modulus. So just putting the modulus is kind of redundant. So this becomes x square plus 3x minus 28 is again greater than x square minus 5x minus 14, or 8x is greater than 14 or x is greater than 7 by 4. This is true for all the values of x which are greater than 7. In fact, even if you include greater than or equal to 7, it won't really change. So all the numbers which are greater than 7 and less than 100 will satisfy the given equation. So 7 to 99, all of them will satisfy the equation. Now the only numbers that you have to really look at are the numbers which lie between minus 7 to plus 7. For this, we will consider the cases where x first lies between minus 7 is less than x is less than minus 2. The next case will be x lies between minus 2 and 4, and the third case will be x lies between 4 and 7. In the first case, when x lies between minus 7 and minus 2, the left hand side will be negative, or basically when you are putting modulus, the sign changes. The right hand side will not change. The right hand side will remain positive. So if you are looking at it, the given inequality will become equal to minus x square minus 3x plus 28 is greater than x square minus 5x minus 14. You can simplify this. This is going to become equal to 2x square minus 2x is less than 42. Or x square minus x has to be less than 21. When x is equal to minus 7, this is not true because x square will become equal to 49. Minus of minus 7 will become equal to 49 plus 7. This is 56, so this is not true for minus 7. Similarly, if you look at minus 6, also this is not true because x square is 36. Minus of minus 6 will be equal to plus 6. This won't even be true for minus 5. Because this becomes equal to 25 plus 5, which is 30. That is the left hand side. But this will be true for minus 4. Because for minus 4, the inequality will become equal to 16 plus 4, which is equal to 20. So this is true. Similarly, this is true for minus 3 also. And this will be true even for minus 2. This is where our interval ends over here. Now we have added 3 more numbers to the given list. They are minus 4, minus 3 and minus 2. Now let us look at the next interval. This interval, x will lie between minus 2 to 4. When x lies between minus 2 to 4, the left hand side is negative, as in it will change its sign, because x lies between minus 7 and 4, because if x is lying between minus 2 and 4, x will also lie between minus 7 and 4. And what will happen to the right hand side? This also will be negative. This will be negative because again x lies between 7 and -2. So now if you are looking at the given inequality, the left hand side becomes equal to minus x square minus 3x plus 28. You want this to be greater than minus x square plus 5x plus 14. You can cancel minus x square. So you would want 8x to be less than 14, or you want x to be less than 7/4. You can again put less than or equal to. This is if -2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4. We have already counted -2, so we need not count it over here, but -1 will satisfy this given inequality, 0 will satisfy this given inequality, and 1 will satisfy this given inequality. So again we can add 3 more numbers. This is -1, 0 and 1. These are the 3 numbers which satisfy the given inequality and which also lie between this interval where x is between -2 and 4. Now the last interval that we have to look at is when x lies between 4 and 7. So if 4 is less than x is less than or equal to 7, what will happen? The left hand side will be positive and the right hand side will be negative. So the given inequality will transform itself to become equal to x square plus 3x minus 28 is greater than minus x square plus 5x plus 14. Or you can simplify this to equal 2x square minus 2x is greater than 28 plus 14 is 42. Or you want x square minus x to be greater than 21. When x is equal to 5, this will not hold true because x square minus x will be 25 minus 5, which is equal to 20. But it will hold true when x is equal to 6 and it will hold true when x is equal to 7. Again, as we have seen earlier. So all the numbers which actually satisfy the given inequality will be -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1, and all the numbers from 6, 7, 8, ... till 99. These numbers, if you calculate the number of such numbers in this band, in this interval will be 99 minus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 94. And in addition to this 94, you have 6 numbers over here, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1. So the total number of integers which satisfy the required inequality, the given inequality will be 94 plus 6, which is equal to 100.
बहुत सा एक्स्ट्रा कि शनि मंदिर जाता हो पूरा बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज हैंड्स डाउन तो बॉडी को टोन करने की, तो मानते नहीं बनता